Aaron was... Where is Aaron? Oh, he was fetching a stick. Ah, of course, because he needs it to beat the beets to make a beet out of beets. As you may know, Aaron likes cooking to music. So first, let's see how he got that going. Now Aaron had established a beat, it was time to decide what to eat. That's it! A Teriyaki Beetroot Bowl! Why not? First, he must chop up the beetroot without getting sidetracked. Oh dear. Well, drummists will be drummists. The biggest problem with cooking with beetroot is always, of course, stains. So Aaron always wears a pre-stained t-shirt. Now we can actually start the cooking. Meanwhile, make the dressing, and any other things you want to go with it. Let's see how he did it. Next, Aaron chopped up some vegetables to accompany the rice and bowl. These are to be fried up in a pan. A bit of the dressing can also be drizzled over, like this, to tie it in with the rest of the dish. Now the beetroot was ready and out it came. Next, the toppings. Aaron used tofu, coriander and avocado. squeeze some lime juice over the avocado to keep it fresh and green. Now everything is ready, so Aaron will assemble the dish. So there it is and was. All that's left to do now is eat and enjoy. Do try it out and let us know if you enjoy it. Aaron tells me he sometimes gets asked if he writes all of the music for his videos. He does indeed. Here's how it looks inside the Make Sound Good box. This is part of the deal that we have together. Unfortunately, this ability came to him in the form of a curse, which doesn't allow him to speak. Anyway, if you'd like to see more videos of Aaron cooking, then let us know down in the comments. I know he enjoys it, so to be honest, he'll probably make more whether you like it or not. As always, thumbs up!